I'm Amelia, your product assistant at Vehere. In this video, we'll explore the rule engine in Vehere NDR, a smart way to detect threats by identifying attack patterns and unusual network behavior in real time. With evolving threats, traditional tools can't always keep up. The rule engine helps you stay ahead by applying predefined rules to live network traffic, triggering alerts, blocking actions, or investigations when suspicious patterns are found. Let's take a look at how it works and how you can use it to enhance your security operations. Configurable rule execution frequency. The rule engine operates in a continuous evaluation loop with configurable rule execution frequency. You can set this frequency globally or customize it per rule, allowing you to prioritize critical threats while optimizing system performance. Targeted analysis and hit generation. Once triggered, the engine performs targeted analysis by generating a domain-specific query based on the rule's logic. This query scans traffic data over a defined time range, capturing all matching records, known as hits. Hit processing and alert generation. These hits are then processed in sequence, and based on the rule type, the engine applies specific logic to determine whether an alert should be generated. Post-alert rule behavior. After an alert is triggered, the rule can enter a sleep state, as defined in its configuration. This controls how soon it will reevaluate data, giving you flexibility in managing alert frequency and system load. Next, let's see how to configure and manage rules directly within the Vehere NDR interface. Now that we've covered how the rule engine processes and triggers alerts, let's walk through the different types of rules you can configure on the Vehere NDR platform. There are 3 types of rules on the Vehere NDR platform. Conditional and behavioral rules. These rules are pre-configured rule types designed for targeted behavior analysis. Any. Monitor specific session fields. An alert is triggered when any field matches predefined conditions. Blacklist. Flags a session if a field value doesn't match the defined acceptable values. Change. Triggers an alert when a field doesn't change as expected over time. Spike. Compares event counts across 2 time windows. Alerts are raised for significant deviations, helping detect traffic surges or drops. New term. Detects and flags values in a field that haven't appeared before. Ideal for anomaly detection. Metric aggregation. Monitors metrics over a time window and alerts if values cross defined thresholds. Advanced search. Supports Python-based logic and built-in functions within a structured query string. You can define precise search conditions and trigger alerts based on query evaluation. Customized IDS rules. For more complex use cases, you can configure customized IDS rules. IOC signature. Detects known indicators of compromise. Digital artifacts tied to malicious activity. Content signature. Analyzes actual network content for specific byte patterns or signatures commonly associated with known vulnerabilities or policy violations. Correlation. Combines multiple low-severity rules and analyzes their relationships, using IP correlation and buffer time to detect advanced threats. Creating Vehere rules. When creating a Vehere rule, you'll configure the following parameters. Title, name your rule. Description, describe its purpose. Severity, choose a severity level from the dropdown. Rule type, Select from predefined rule types to target specific behaviors. Conditions. Use Add Filter or Add Filter Group to narrow your scope. You can also use a query key to fine-tune results. Correlation parameter. Optionally correlate alerts using source or destination IPs. Creating IOC signature rule. For IOC-based rules, configuration allows you to define specific indicators and threshold behavior. Title and description. Identify and describe the rule. Severity and rule type. Set severity and select from the dropdown. Protocol and class type. Define the traffic protocol and categorize the attack type. Source destination IP and port. Specify the IPs and ports involved. CVE. Link the rule to a known vulnerability using its CVE identifier. Threshold settings. Configure threshold type, track method, time window, and event count. MITRE attack mapping. Select relevant tactic and technique. Correlation parameter. Link the rule to other events or rules for deeper context. Creating content signature rule. Content signature rules let you detect threats based on specific content patterns in the network stream. Title and description. Enter basic rule details. Severity and rule type. Define threat level and type. Protocol and class type. Choose the relevant protocol and attack classification. Source destination IP and port. Specify the network flow attributes. CVE. Optionally map to a known CVE. Flow. Choose traffic direction. For example, to client config, to client server. Patterns and search area. Define what pattern to look for and where to search for it. Correlation parameter. Associate the rule with related detections or rules. To make rule management easier, quick action buttons are available right from the rule list. Enable, disable rule. Activate or deactivate rules instantly using the status icon. You can also perform bulk actions by selecting multiple rules. Modify rule. Edit rule parameters as needed. And that wraps up our deep dive into the rule engine in Vehere NDR. With powerful rule types, flexible configurations, and smart automation, your threat detection workflows become faster, more accurate, and fully adaptable to evolving network behaviors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.